So I got the 256 gigs iPhone 13 Pro. Ooh. Now I had to choose between either the Sierra Blue, which, you know what, some people are on and off about. I get graphite or black almost every other year. By the way, I only buy the iPhone every 2 to 3 years. I think 2 years is enough time for you to, get new features, get new styling. So yeah, graphite, not my thing. And then of course Sierra Blue, okay. Then there was gold. Gold reminded me of like a French vanilla. If I didn't get this one, I probably would have gotten the gold. But look at this. I think this is beautiful. Like it looks white, but I don't know, just like a stardust color. I like it. I like it. It's sad I'm gonna have to put a case on this, but okay, of course, you get lightning and some stickers. But overall, I could have gotten the mini, but I have huge monstrous hands. Like, look at this. Look at these. Like, I can palm a basketball. So I could have gotten, of course, the Pro Max, which has most of the features. But even for my hands, I think the Pro Max is just too big. One thing that I do think the 6 inches or 6.1 inch is good for, it's like a nice happy medium. But overall, I just like the silver. I like this white. It's like a stardust. For the Pro, I definitely am interested in the camera. I want to try macro photography. I want to try the new cinematic mode. Now that I'm using this for my YouTube channel, I really want to see how can I push the iPhone even further for content creation. 256 gigabytes. One of the reasons why I got that was I'm a heavy content user. And the 128 was not cutting it. I was deleting apps all the time, just trying to fit it in. Now, the one thing I don't like about the Pro series, I haven't had the Pro versions quite some time, is the, I guess, aluminum or titanium siding, just fingerprint magnets. Like I just opened this and I'm pretty sure, but it does feel nice though. It's just a beautiful piece of art, work. Apparently, this has ProMotion for 160 hertz. I'm gonna turn it on. For me, 120 hertz or having a high refresh rate, I've heard that if you've seen it, you can never unsee it. But I don't really think it'd be a big deal for me. I think it's something that tech heads love to talk about, and I'm sure it's a beautiful experience. It's one of those things like if you never had it, like you're not gonna miss it. I wanna try macro photography. I wanna try a low light. I wanna try the cinematic mode. I might have a separate review just displaying the cameras. So let me know down below any questions or anything you want me to test out in my review. It won't be within the next week. I don't know how people would make reviews like after having like a phone for 5 days. But throughout the next month, I will be releasing videos just showing you some of the things that I picked up and some of the things I love or maybe not like about it. I have an iPhone 11 Project Red. So let's see how they stack up next to each other. Actually, the 11 is a little bit wider. Like, do you see that? The 11, okay, so it's a little sleek. It's sleeker than the 11. I love what they did here. Like the form factor, the screen size might be a little bigger, but I love having the smaller profile. And overall, I just think this is a very beautiful, beautiful piece of a product, for a piece of work. And once again, let me know down below anything that you would like me to test out, any questions that you might have, and I will make sure that I cover it or at least respond to it within the comments. So thanks for watching and subscribe for more so you can see the review when I do drop it. See ya.